Hi, welcome you all. Vande Bharat Mission Scheme. Under this Vande Bharat Mission Scheme, the Indian government already circulated all the information to the different countries' embassies, stating that the people who are willing to come back to India. So, in this corona pandemic situations, and as well as who are suffering and who are getting the emergency issues, so they are coming back to India now under this scheme. So we will see now what is the procedure of this one, and is it possible, is it the right way to delay, to private authorized agencies. So is it or we need to consult directly with the Indian Embassy. So what is the procedure, we will see in detail now. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe now. Under this Vande Bharat Mission Scheme, so all the embassies in different countries, the Indian embassies already they given very clear instructions to all the people who are around, and they are getting calls even every day. So getting the services of Vande Bharat Mission Scheme to fly to India, and right now the procedure what they are following, just they are giving the high importance for the high vulnerable type of cases. So especially the women who are carrying, that is pregnant ladies, and the two who are aged, you can say elder age persons, and who are having the emergency situations in their homes, especially their kids or their wives or some relatives, etc. So who are suffering a lot. So based on their preferences and based on that criteria only, they are giving the tickets, as well as they are selecting that persons who are eligible to fly. So that's the category, and they are dividing. So what they are doing, the procedure point of view, if you come to that point. So first, the Indian Embassy of the different countries, they are giving the request for the persons who are in the different places on the particular country. So for example, right now I am going to discuss about the Moscow, Russia. So on that Moscow, the Indian Embassy, they given even today also they given very clearly the press note even. They are saying that, so who are under the emergency or who are willing to fly to India, so through the online portal you have to register yourself. So on that online portal also they will give the different ways why you want to fly like that. They will ask something else, and they will ask what is the criteria and what is the situation to fly like that. And if you are saying that like you are carrying, you are having a more age or having emergency in the India, or the pregnant ladies, etc., something else, if they submit an online, so what they are doing, after that they are scrutinizing so all the requests received from the different persons of that particular place or to the particular country, and they are dividing, so which is the major category, so which one we have to choose to fly like that. And once this process is finished, after scrutinizing all this, you can say screening all these passengers' names, or you can say the persons' names, then they will intimate to the Air India. Then from that Air India, again they will get the mail from the particular person. So that is they given some official mail IDs. So the which is coming from that mail IDs only they are choosing, and they are supposed to book the tickets. So it is not at all possible to rely on any third parties like any kind of private agencies. Right now there is no private agencies are influencing as well as working. So only through the Indian embassies of that particular countries, and that too the official mail ID, which is going to, I will show you in this video. So you can watch that one, and even the different destinations, irrespective of the different dates and different destinations, when the flight will go, at what time it will reach, and what time it will arrive, etc. All things are given in this video. Just you can watch all the full video. And so once if this got mail from the Air India, so you have to book the tickets yourself, and you have to pay yourself, and you have to reach to the airport before 4 hours. So before 4 hours with your luggage. And of course the luggage is also having more kind of expenses even. You have to pay if it is more luggage, exceed more luggages means. And so then once if they're going to the airport after putting all your tickets and all, so first they will go for the chemical spray on your baggage. So once the chemical spray process is over, just he will allow to the boarding pass. Before going to the boarding pass, they are going to check all the medical conditions. For example, so they will check the body temperature of that particular person by thermal screening, and that they are checking the blood pressure as well as the heartbeat rate of that particular person, and the most importantly, they are going to identify the persons who are asymptomatic. So if the person asymptomatic means there is no virus presence inside his body, so then only they are sending to the boarding pass to take the boarding pass. So if after receiving the boarding pass, straight away, just as usual, the immigration procedure, and they will go to the respective gates and they are sending. And right now the Air India, especially with who are the passengers who are flying from Moscow, so the Air India, they are giving the complete PPE kit, that is personal protective kit. So the food what they are giving, so completely with packed only, but so they are allowing in such a way, and of course the usage of the washrooms and all they are allowing, and they are taking care of that one. And this is the in Moscow after once if you reach into the flight. So once if you reach to India, so the concerned government, for example, so the person from Delhi, if he reach to Hyderabad, or the person of Hyderabad, if he reach to Delhi, so the local governments, that means state governments, they are undertaking and they are taking care of all the things, required things for the quarantine. So in the terms and conditions itself, as I said before at the beginning, once if you are uploading all the information to the Indian embassy of that particular country, so they will give some terms and conditions. You have to accept all those things. That means, so I have to be willing to go for quarantine for 14 days, and I will pay myself, like that. So these are the terms and conditions even at the beginning. So if you accept all these conditions only, you will get the link for book your tickets from the Air India. Once if they arrive there, so the local government, they will take care of themselves, and they will divide the group of people like 15 to 20 like that, and they are taking in a separate bus after completing of all the immigration processes. And there once again they are checking the body conditions, okay, that thermal screening, so as well as their heartbeat rates, as well as their asymptomatic conditions. So they are checking, and they are sending directly to the concerned quarantine hotels. So right now they are taking directly to the hotels, and they are paying. So they have to pay themselves at that. What these are also one of the terms and conditions. They have to pay their own money for that particular hotel or the where he is going to stay for the quarantine period for 14 days. And after 14 days again they will test that particular person. So if he is getting negative, then only he will allow for the home, and again so he has to stay in home for 14 more days for a quarantine period, home quarantine. So this is what the things are going on, and for the persons who are flying from different country, from the different countries to India. So this is what the scenario is going on. But in this regard, so there is no interference of any kind of third parties like private agencies. Okay, so don't rely on any private agencies, or don't rely on any. Don't depend on any kind of third parties. Straight away communicate with your Indian embassy, and then from the Indian embassy straight away you can communicate with the. If you received a positive reply from the Indian embassy through that Air India link, then you can go ahead for the booking of your tickets. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, and hit that bell icon to get the further notifications. While hitting that bell icon, please select all, so that you will get all the notifications of your upcoming videos, and you can watch it and you can share to your friends, and most importantly, make your day as a great day. Vande Bharat mission under the Vande Bharat mission scheme. So the flights schedule and the flights arrangements and the timings, etc., they are given very clearly, and even for the workers as well as for the student side also, they are given very clearly the special instructions on which day and flights will move on which place to India from Moscow. We'll see in detail now. So this is the Embassy of India, Moscow. So under the Vande Bharat mission, so press release. On 25, so Air India flight, it is Monday 25 May, 4 numbers, especially for only Indian nations only. These are the numbers available, emergency phone numbers for the Indian nations only.